Hello friends, welcome to conversion of units. This is part 4 of the lesson, and today we are going to be looking at something very interesting. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. My name is Opak Mark once again. Let's look at this. That is converting from kilograms per cubic meter to grams per cubic centimeters, then also from grams per cubic centimeters to kilograms per cubic meters. Let us have a quick look here. That is 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams, and also 1 gram is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilograms. Then also we have 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters, and so 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1 over 100 meters. Let's look at some example to understand this topic well. The first question here is we are converting 1,000 kilograms to 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter to grams per cubic centimeters, and also 50 kilograms per cubic meters to grams per cubic centimeters, and 1 gram per cubic centimeters to kilograms per cubic meters, and lastly 45 grams per cubic centimeters to kilograms per cubic meters. Let's look at the first part. Part A, 1,000 kilograms per cubic meters to grams per cubic centimeters. So here, first of all, you're going to convert the 1,000 kilograms to grams, and then the 1 cubic meter to cubic centimeters, because 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter is equivalent, or it is the same as saying 1,000 kilograms divided by 1 cubic meter. So we shall convert 1,000 kilograms to grams, and then also 1 cubic meter to cubic centimeters. Let's start by converting 1,000 kilograms to grams. We know that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. And so 1,000 kilograms is going to be equivalent to 1,000 times 1,000, which gives us 1 million grams. So 1,000 kilograms is equivalent to 1 million grams. Then also 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. And so if we cube on both sides, we shall have 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. So we shall have 1 meter cubed is equivalent to 1 million cubic centimeters. So now we shall have 1,000 kilograms divided by 1 cubic meter is going to be equivalent to 1 million grams divided by 1 million cubic centimeters. So if you divide this, 1 million divided by 1 million is 1. Grams divided by cubic centimeters is grams per cubic centimeters. So that implies that 1,000 kilograms per cubic meters is equivalent to 1 gram per cubic centimeters. Part B, 50 kilograms per cubic meters to grams per cubic centimeters. Now we know that this is the same as having 50 kilograms divided by 1 cubic meter. So we shall convert the 50 kilograms to grams, and then the 1 cubic meter to cubic centimeters. Now first of all, let us convert the 50 kilograms to grams. We know that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1,000 grams. And so 50 kilograms is going to be 50 times 1,000, which gives us 50,000 grams. Then we shall also convert the 1 cubic meter to cubic centimeters. We know that 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. If we cube on both sides, we shall have 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters. And 1 meter times 1 meter times 1 meter gives us 1 cubic meter. 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters times 100 centimeters gives us 1 million centimeters. So 1 cubic meter is equivalent to 1 million cubic centimeters. Now let us convert the 50 kilograms per cubic meter to grams per cubic centimeters. Now we know that 50 kilograms per cubic meter is the same as 50 kilograms divided by 1 cubic meter, which is equivalent to 50,000 grams divided by 1 million cubic centimeters. Now 50,000 divided by 1 million is 0.05, and grams divided by cubic centimeters is the same as grams per cubic centimeters. So we shall have 0.05 grams per cubic centimeters, which implies that the 50 kilograms per cubic meters is equivalent to 0.05 grams per cubic centimeters. Part C, we are converting 1 gram per cubic centimeter to kilogram per cubic meter. And then we shall convert first of all the 1 gram to grams. Then we shall also convert the 1 centimeter cubed to meters cubed. Since we know that 1 gram per cubic centimeter is the same as 1 gram divided by 1 cubic centimeters. Now we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams, which implies that 1 gram is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilograms. Then also we know that 1 centimeter is equivalent to 1 over 100 meters. So if we cube on both sides, we shall have 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters. And so 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter is 1 centimeter cubed, and 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters is 1 over 1 million cubic meters, which implies that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 over 1 million cubic meters. Now, I said already that 1 gram per cubic centimeter is the same as 1 gram divided by 1 cubic centimeter. And so if we substitute, 1 gram is equivalent to 1 over 1,000 kilograms, and also 1 centimeter is 1 over 1 million cubic meters. So that will be that. Now, the mathematics of division is going to work here. So it means that if I multiply, I take the reciprocal this side. So we shall have 1 over 1,000 times 1 million over 1. And then also kilograms divided by cubic meter is going to be kilograms per cubic meter. So we shall have 1 over 1,000 times 1 million over 1 times the kilograms per cubic meter. If you divide this, you shall have 1 million divided by 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter, which will give us 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. So 1 gram per cubic centimeter is equivalent to 1,000 kilograms per cubic meter. Lastly, let us look at part D. We are converting 45 grams per cubic centimeters to kilograms per cubic meters. First of all, we need to know that 45 grams per cubic centimeters is equivalent to 45 grams divided by 1 cubic centimeters. So you shall first of all convert from, and I shall convert the 45 grams to kilograms, and also shall convert the 1 cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Let's start by converting the 45 grams to kilograms. Now we know that 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams, and therefore 1 gram is equivalent to 1 over 1000 kilograms. Now if you have 45 grams, it's going to be 45 times 1 over 1000 kilograms, which will give us 45 over 1000 kilograms. So 40 grams is equivalent to 40 grams is equivalent to 45 over 1000 kilograms. Then we shall also convert the 1 cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Now we know that 1 cubic centimeter is equivalent to 1 over 1 million cubic meter. How that comes about, we can start by saying that 1 centimeter cube, just 1 centimeter, is equivalent to 1 over 100 meters. So if we cube on both sides, we shall have 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters. And so it implies that we shall have a cubic centimeter, and also 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters times 1 over 100 meters is 1 over 1 million cubic meters. And so 1 centimeter cubed is equivalent to 1 over 1 million cubic meters. Yeah. So we have converted the 45 grams to kilograms and also the 1 cubic centimeters to cubic meters. Now I'm going to convert this. So we know that 45 grams per cubic centimeter is the same as 45 grams divided by 1 cubic centimeters. If we substitute, we know that 45 grams is the same as 45 divided by 1000 kilograms, and 1 cubic centimeter is the same as 1 over 1 million cubic meters. Then we divide this. Now if you divide the figures, first of all, this is the same as having 45 over 1000 times 1 million divided by 1. We multiply and take the reciprocal this side. So it will be 45 divided by 1000 times 1 million divided by 1. And then the kilograms divided by meters cubed will be kilograms per meters cubed. So that's what we shall be having. And so if we multiply 45 times 1 million, it gives us 45 million. Then 1000 times 1 gives us 1000. So we shall have 45 million divided by 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. If we divide this, 3 zeros will go, and therefore we shall remain with 45,000 kilograms. Yeah, that is it. Of course, we could, since we know that we could also just say, if you know that 1 gram per cubic centimeter is equivalent to 1000 kilograms per cubic meter, so it will imply that 45 grams per cubic centimeters is equivalent to 45 times the 1000 kilograms per cubic meter, and that will still give us the 45,000 grams per cubic meter. Yeah, that's how we do these conversions. Yeah, thank you so much for attending unto this lesson. If you have a question, email me at this email address, that is mark.opak@yahoo.com. Yeah, we meet in our last lesson and we conclude this. Thank you so much.